Hello, students. Let's read this problem together. The following table displays Gabriel's net worth. Assets are displayed as positive numbers, and liabilities are displayed as negative numbers. Based on the information in the table, what is Gabriel's net worth? So once again, remember that when they are asking for net worth, we are going to need to find the total of all of the assets and then subtract the sum of all of the liabilities. So let's go ahead and write that down. Okay, so if we look in our table and we remember what they told us that all assets would be positive. And there's a good reason to consider assets as positive. Because remember, assets like money we have in our checking account or in our savings account is money that we have that is worth value towards us. Okay, and so we have investments, the value of the house, and art. Now, liabilities are monies that we owe to others. So it is natural that we think of them as negative numbers because it is money that we owe to somebody else, like loans or credit card payments. So let's go ahead and, like before, the first thing we're going to want to do is find the total of all of the assets. Okay, so let's go ahead and take our assets and add them up here. So we have 2,870. We have 3,200, 3,800, 125,000, and 12,000. And we're going to find the sum of those. Here we have 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 is 6. 3 more is 9, 10, 11, and 5, 16. That's 4 and 1. So we have 146,870 in assets. Now, if you look at the answer choices, you can see that number there. It's there because it's what we got for our assets. Don't get excited and go and pick that number because you see it there. Remember, we're not done. We have to subtract the liabilities. So now we must find the sum of all our liabilities. So remember in the table, we highlighted those in blue. So the liabilities are 23,100 and 19,600. So if we add those up, we're going to get, going to carry that, 2, 3, and 4, $42,700 for the liabilities. Again, that is also there. So since we know that we are not looking for the total assets, and we know that we are not looking for the total of the liabilities, we can scratch those two out. Now remember what we're doing to get our net worth? We said we are subtracting. So we're going to subtract 146,870 minus 42,700 to get the net worth. Let's go ahead and do that. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is nothing or 0, and then 1. So 104,170. And this is in dollars. That is our net worth for Gabriel. So if we look here at our answer choices, that would match letter A. So remember, to find the net worth, we took all of the assets, which were positive values, and we subtracted the negative values, which are our liabilities, and that was how we got the net worth, $104,170.